For indeed, with hardship, will be ease. Quran 94:5. And we have sent you not but as a mercy for all creatures. Quran 21:107, referring to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him. Show forgiveness, enjoin what is good, and turn away from the ignorant. Quran 7:199. The servants of the Most Gracious are those who walk on the earth in humility, and when the ignorant address them, they say, peace. Quran 25:63. There is no compulsion in religion. The right path has become distinct from error. Quran 2:256. And not equal are the good deed and the bad. Repel evil by that deed which is better. Quran 41:34. Whoever kills a person unjustly, it is as though he has killed all mankind. And whoever saves a life, it is as though he had saved all mankind. Quran 5:32. And make not Allah, by your oaths, a hindrance to your being righteous and observing your duty unto him and making peace among mankind. Quran 2:224. If the world were a ring, and the hereafter were a desert, the believers would not take the ring for the desert. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The best of you are those who are best to their families. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Quran 39:10. So remember me, I will remember you. And be grateful to me and do not deny me. Quran 2:152. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding. Quran 3:190. The best amongst you is the one who pays the rights of others generously. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. You will not attain righteousness till you spend in charity of the things you love. Quran 3:92. A kind word is a form of charity. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The most perfect believer in faith is the one who is best in moral character and kindest to his wife. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.